Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Freestyle Friday, y'all. FPV Friday. And I'm out here back at the park again. I got this little digital whoop here. If you guys watched the last video, you know that I lost the filters in this thing, but it still flies nice in acro. So that's what we're about to do now. Get it in some acro. It flies a little heavy now since I have gotten used to flying these other whoops, which are a lot more acrobatic. So that's the trade-off I have with flying this one. Digital clarity. But it doesn't fly as well as the others. Whoa! I'm a little nervous about trying to explore the darn trees. In acro. Oh. Getting low. Let's bring it back. Just try to drop it back in the window. Gotta swap out the battery real quick. Get one more in. You have to wait for the monitor to pick back up on the signal. Let's try some exploration. Bunch of ways to have fun with these digital whoops. FPV Friday, y'all. Thanks for watching.